Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, June 12th. Today's Zen story is titled No Water, No Moon. In a secluded valley, a nun named Chiyo carried a bucket of water up the worn stone steps of her monastery. The night was cool, and the moon hung low, casting its reflection upon the bucket's surface. As she neared the entrance, her foot caught on a loose stone. The bucket wobbled, then tumbled from her hands. Water splashed across the ground, vanishing into the dirt. Chiyo stood motionless, watching as the moon's reflection shattered and disappeared. She let out a slow breath and turned to see her teacher, an elderly nun, watching from the temple's doorway. "The moon is gone," Chiyo murmured. Her teacher smiled gently. "Was it ever there?" Chiyo looked up. The moon remained in the sky, untouched by the spill. A breeze rustled the trees, and she let out a quiet laugh, bowing deeply before stepping inside. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What illusions in your life have felt real, only to dissolve in an instant? What illusions in your life have felt real, only to dissolve in an instant? How do you distinguish between what is fleeting and what is truly lasting? How do you distinguish between what is fleeting and what is truly lasting? Now bring your hands to your heart And as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with during your day. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.